Enervate is a verb that means to weaken or drain strength, energy, or vitality from someone or something. Origins. The word comes from the Latin enerva, meaning to weaken or to cut the sinews, derived from ex out of, and nervis, sinew or nerve. It entered English in the 17th century with a sense of physical and mental depletion. Explanation and usage. Enervate is often used to describe a loss of strength, motivation or vitality, whether physical, emotional or intellectual. It suggests exhaustion or a sapping of one's energy. Example sentences. The oppressive heat seemed to enervate the entire team, making them sluggish. The tedious lecture enervated the audience, leaving them drained and disengaged. Cultural significance. The word is frequently used in discussions about fatigue, burnout, and exhaustion, whether in personal, professional, or societal contexts. It conveys a deeper sense of depletion than mere tiredness. Synonyms: weaken, to reduce strength or effectiveness; debilitate, to make someone physically or mentally weak; sap, to gradually drain energy or vitality. Antonyms: invigorate, to fill with energy and enthusiasm; strengthen, to make stronger or more resilient; energize, to refresh and restore vitality. Key takeaway: enervate describes a state of being drained or weakened, often due to external pressures or conditions. It serves as a reminder of the importance of rest and resilience in maintaining one's energy and well-being.